Hello, this is Heino from BLVO. Today I'm going to talk about StorageVault. So, what is StorageVault? BLVO StorageVault is an object storage based storage, just like Amazon S3. Here you can store any kind of data, files, pictures, videos, broadcasts, archives, CAD documents, backups, you name it. There are a lot of ways you could use StorageVault to benefit your business. What makes it special? Most notable, unlike SS3 storage solutions, you do not have to reserve storage before adding data. StorageVault is just built differently. Simply put, you just name your bucket and you're ready to go. When it comes to price comparison, StorageVault is about 2 to 3 times cheaper than regular SS3 storage. Plus, since you don't reserve space anymore, you don't have to pay it or spend valuable time planning on it. Also, StorageVault has intelligent protection layers built in. For example, data that is stored on StorageVault is first split into pieces and replicated multiple times in cluster. That means even if StorageVault experiences hardware failures, it won't affect customer usage or data. For advanced users, StorageVault has full API documentation. Plus, it speaks the same languages as Amazon S3, so it is fairly simple to connect StorageVault with any application needed. For more information, check out our API documentation. Also, setting up a bucket is very simple. You can do it in user interface or API. Let me demonstrate. At the home page, if you don't have an account, first create one by signing up. If you already have it, just log in. Once you reach our user interface, click the StorageVault button, also known as Object Storage, to create a new bucket. Now you simply have to select a suitable billing account, enter a bucket name, and you're ready to create your first bucket. But first, it is good to know that all BLVO buckets share the same namespace, so it is good practice to name your bucket with some unique identifier or even better, add random code behind it. Just like I did. Let's finish creating bucket. Once you're done, your bucket is ready. To check it, open it up from left navigation. Here you can see most important data about your bucket. As you see, your bucket has nothing in it. That's because buckets are scalable and take space as they grow. In other words, you can simply start putting your data in and the bucket will do the rest. Also, we give you a rough estimate on the monthly cost, so you would know how much your bucket actually costs. Note that the cost is calculated hourly, depending how much data your bucket stores, and yes, no other fees applied. To interact with the bucket, you have your API keys. With them, you can access your buckets with multiple different applications and ways. I'm going to give you a few examples here. Also, I'm going to create a few tutorials in coming weeks that will help you understand better how to connect with the StorageVault bucket and how to use those applications. There you go. This is it for this tutorial. Thank you for tuning in. If you have any questions or need any help with setting up applications where you want to use StorageVault storage, please don't hesitate to contact us. We are more than happy to help you out as we can. My name is Heino, and have a nice day.